How you all doing? What we're getting up to in this video? The subscribers Drive Tiger 995, been standing for 10 years. Front fairing needs removing, so let me show you how I did it. The fairing on this bike is slightly different to standard because it's got an aftermarket screen on it, but the screen just fits to the fairing in the same way really. Okay, to remove this fairing cowley, there's a bolt there. And there's a bolt on the other side. I think we could be taking this off. On this side. There's 2 bolts there. That's the right key. And the last one. Oh yeah, put it on the floor, Johnny. It's just these winding mechanisms to take the screen off, I think, because I've got to get to those bolts there. But obviously the screen is in the way, so get these lock fingers off. Just come apart like that. Same this side. 2 of them, one at the bottom and one at the top. I don't really know what to call this bike. It's not my bike. When I start the videos, I don't really know what to say. I've been saying it's a subscriber's bike. Put that one on the floor, Johnny. The bike actually belongs to Robert. I've only met the guy once, and that was for about 5 minutes. Seems a nice guy. Just trying to make his way in life just like the rest of us. Put that one on the floor, Johnny. There we are, that's that off. I'll put that somewhere safe because it's a bit windy. Put that up there out of the way. Open that back up. You've got to stay there, yep. Where are you? There you are. Yep, stay. There's the 2 bolts. What I was thinking was those other 2 bolts. The road's become a really horrible place. People just seem to want to do other people over all the time. Now that's them 2. And now, 16 years later, finally we can lift this off. Here we go. Put that somewhere safe because it's windy. Put it behind the shed door. So there you go. Quite easy job really. Just thought I'd make a quick video just in case somebody needs a bit more guidance on how to do it. If they're a bit worried about doing it, it's easy. Just do it. And on that note, you've just watched JT Moto 13 over and out.
I'll see you in another life, brother.